Let's do this, baby. The hardest part. Hey, you want to help him? Here. So grabbing the leg. Take the tape off. Nope, we're fine. 60 seconds. Supposed to be, but gotta take this paper. Yep, take all the paper. Oh my God, I need a key or something. Tell me about it. You got a knife? Oh, here. Perfect. 20.
That's what I said.
Okay, so I got one.
Okay.
Okay, good. You hold that in the middle.
Yeah, Amy got the key. Amy, throw the key.
Yep. Tony, pass it around. Take yours, pass it. So one is locked. Yeah, I'll cut this off. This is the hardest thing to cut. That's like the hardest part. There we go.
Oh.
There we go. Got that. You never camped before. First time. Oh yeah, let's pull that baby in. There we go.
I'd rather not know what I'm doing than break and think you know what you're doing, bro.
It's so high. Oh shoot, let me fix my end over here.
You better stay locked.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make that part bigger. Yeah. Snap it. There you go. That's it. I don't want to force that. You know who does that all the time? Me. One of Billy's people always rushes and breaks it.
Pump one.
Yup. Rushes and just breaks it. It's crazy. Nice.
Man, this is it. The rest is just putting the top.
So many people?
20.
How the fuck is 20 people gonna fit in there?
I know.
It's like 4.
Yours is 6 people and it's half of this.
Yeah, well that's good enough.
So literally you can fit 20 people.
Yeah,
But-
20 people, probably slaves?
But yeah, you're not gonna make everybody sleep.
Bingo, you saw how big it is? Unbelievable. Like, we need a bigger, like, I don't know what for, but okay.
You might as well.
What's that?
You only live once. That's gonna be the top.
Oh.
We got the top, which is gonna be a little pain in the butt.
No, you
It's gonna rain, right?
But we got it. Yeah.
You don't have to put the top off if you don't want, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, otherwise at night it's
it'll
gonna
be
be
too
clear.
bright. Or it'll be too bright tomorrow.
So, okay, let's figure it out. I don't think it has a front and back. It just
Yes,
goes.
it does. That's the back.
Which one is the back?
hold on.
This is, looks like this is the
Okay,
front.
there's the name right here.
That looks like that's the front.
Oh, so it doesn't matter then.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's go
Oh,
over.
this one.
We'll find out when we put it on.
Yep.
We'll find out.
Keep going, baby. Keep going.
Got it. We'll go all the way around.
Yeah.
Videotaping it?
Yeah, we are.
How am I videotaping you?
We're recording. He's recording it.
We're recording.
Like this, like this side.
And now you just
Here we go. All the way down.
perfect. See? So
Right
easy.
here.
Oh my God. My bestie has the same. It has another one like this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So you're supposed to come with everybody else.
You see how fast this was?
Remember, I used to add this one.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
The ropes go to the floor to stake it down, right? So it'll move.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, we
I
have-
stick it to the ground, but I'm not because it doesn't get windy over here.
Yeah, our love.
Well, unless we get a bad weather, right? But no, it's been no wind out here. For the few times we camped, I never stick to the ground.
Oh, it's such a chicken shit.
Why? Bro, don't worry. You can
Me
put your
neither.
tent-
This is like my first time.
You heard?
If you could
Okay, this is the inside view. Doors right there. Electric power comes in right through there. I didn't run it through there, but if you want it, right here you got your electric storage. Look at all this space. We got so much space. This is the big door out. I mean, this thing is amazing. Love it. I don't really need all this space, but it's good to have.